How to pin someone on Snapchat on Android. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide, and in today's guide video I'm about to simply show you how you can actually pin a particular person on Snapchat on your Android phone. But before we get started, if you are new to our channel, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. So first of all, what we want to do is simply make sure we have actually updated the Snapchat app to the latest version. So if you haven't updated it already, you can head over to your device's app store. In the search box, you can simply type in Snapchat and then go ahead and update the app to the latest version. After we've updated Snapchat, I'm going to simply open Snapchat and make sure that you are also logged into your account. So go ahead and simply confirm that you are logged into your account. So in order to first of all pin someone on Snapchat, there was not such a feature in Android previously, and it used to be available only on iPhone devices. And now Snapchat has actually recently added this feature to Android users. However, it is in a different kind of way. Now in order to pin someone, what you can do is first of all we want to go to the chat screen by tapping on the chat icon at the bottom left hand side of the screen. Once you tap on the chat icon, we're going to be taken to this page right over here. Now here you can see we have got multiple chat history with multiple friends. And in order to pin a particular person on Snapchat, what we can do is simply long press on the name next to any person whom you actually want to pin. So let's say that you actually want to pin this person right over here. You want to simply go ahead and long press on that particular profile. Once you long press on their name, you can see this option is actually going to come up, and here you have options such as managing your friendship, your chat settings, your story settings, your privacy settings, and so on. So what we want to do is we want to tap on the option called chat settings. So tap on it. As we tap on chat settings, you can see right here at the second option under the red mark which says clear from chat feed, we have an option that is called pin shortcut to home screen right above the delete chats button. So you can go ahead and tap on pin shortcut to home screen, and then it is actually going to ask us to confirm. Then you can go ahead and also tap on add to home screen right over here, and then you can tap on done, and then we're going to simply check whether we have added it or not. So I'm going to go back to my home screen, and then right here at the top you can see that the shortcut has been added to our home screen. Now if you actually want to view it, you can simply tap on it once and then go ahead and try to view the shortcut as well. You can see it is working perfectly fine. This was the way on how you could very easily pin someone on Snapchat on Android. We hope this video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you've got any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.